Miss South Africa 2024 Top 10. South Africa has 9 finalists for Miss South Africa, and you can vote for the 10th spot between Kirsten Khan and Ki Balipile Ramafuku. Use the Miss SA app or website to vote before 8 August at 6 p.m. Tune in to SABC 3 on 10 August at 6 p.m. to see who made it to the finale. Start voting now.